the Shur on Tefila, we got to leDavid. Now, the next part of leDavid, we say very powerful Tefila. We say, Avinu malkenu, Avinu malkenu, Melech. Avinu malkenu, Rachman. Avinu malkenu, Fonenu Van. In other words, we refer to the Shwarku as Avinu malkenu. Our Father, our King. First of all, Kasker Rebbe asked that why do we say Avinu malkenu? Our Father is the King. That is King and Father. But why do we have two terms for Avinu malkenu? He says, very interesting point. He says that the Father is very close with children. He knows the pain of the children, he knows what's going on with them. But the only thing is that a lot of times there's a power to do whatever that should be done. Power doesn't have. The king has power, but a lot of times it's very far away from the nation. He doesn't know the real pain of the nation. He doesn't know what's going on with the nation. As far as the Father goes, as well as closeness goes, like our Father, we know our pain exactly, we know what's going on with us, we know what our needs, we know what our feelings about. And as far as the power, God malkenu, Avinu malkenu, Avinu. But we say Avinu malkenu, but in essence, you are our Father. Not in relationship, Avinu. The power is a king, but in reality, you are our Father. But you have the power of the king. You're not king and you have the love of a father. No, Avinu. You have the love of the Father and you have the power of the king. Avinu malkenu, Avinu. Understand? That's why we say Avinu malkenu, Avinu. What's in Avinu malkenu, Avinu? Of course, it's Avinu malkenu. We're saying that Avinu malkenu, you are close to us like a father. You have the power of the king, but in essence, in reality, you are our father. In essence, you are very close to us. You love us like a father. And it happens to be that you have the power of the king. Avinu malkenu, Enon Melech. Say you don't have any Melech except you. It's a very important concept that when we rely on HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we should know that our only reliance is Hashem. Any other power is not a power. We cannot do it. The only source that can do whatever that we need is you. But sometimes people believe in their own mind, their own talent, their own partner, their own group that they are dealing with. Okay, by the way, we double Kadosh Baruch Hu. We believe in the doctor, by the way, we double Kadosh Baruch Hu. But we have to understand that in the Jewish philosophy is not like that. Jewish philosophy is really like Kadosh Baruch Hu. We don't have a king except you. In other words, your Hatzkocha is Hatzkocha. Your Refuah is a Refuah. Your Parnosa is real Parnosa. Anything else is not. But sometimes we think that, it's going to help us. No, Hashem, please help me to help us. Or Hashem, be on our side to get the help. No, we have to understand, we are the one. You should have mercy upon us. Fonenu va'anenu, it's gracious to us and answer us, because we don't have any good deeds. So then the other thing is that in this Tefila that we come to our Baruch Hu, somebody comes to Hashem and says, at the end of the day, I'm a frum Jew, I am keeping Torah, I'm keeping mitzvot, right? I'm much better than other people who are married, and now take care of me. In other words, it makes sense. But with no success, we don't have any good deed. We shouldn't feel that, we deserve. In front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, nobody could feel that we deserve. Whatever that does, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, as a man of chesed, who do chesed kindness to us, the man shimcha hakadol b'Hashem. Whatever that is, it is the chesed, the kindness from Hashem. The man shimcha, the sake of your great name, and you should save us. And even if you save us because of your great name, that shouldn't be disgraced among the goyim. We should do something. We daven to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that Hashem should save us because of your disgracing your name. We don't want your name to be disgraced. And we don't know what to do. So some minhagim is that when we say take it up. The minhag. Because you're sitting down, we don't know what to do. We sat down, we said Shema, we daven, we sat down, and we get up. We don't know what to do. Because toward you is our eyes. In other words, when we say, we don't know what else to do, because toward you is our eyes. In other words, the person has to say emet when we daven. Say means really we try to understand that the source of everything that we spoke. Our eyes has a hook to you. We understand that you are the only source of meaning. But there's a very powerful tefillah here that a person davens with kavana, a lot of things will be carried. And kavana means to understand what we are saying and relate to the psukim and the things that we are saying and adapt it in our life. In other words, if you know somebody that you have full confidence in him, that's going to take care of you, it's going to do things for you. Your eyes is after him all the time. You're also with HaKadosh Baruch Hu should be the same way.